Yo guys, what is going on? It's your boy Radius back with another banger private server video. Oh wait, no, this is actually a hybrid server. Wait, cut that. But anyway guys, in this video I'm gonna be giving you guys a full in-depth tutorial on how to get this hybrid server called ReksFN. You actually get to join your friends. There is no in-game. You have every cosmetic and you can see unreleased skins. This is completely safe and is a separate game mode from Fortnite, as it is custom coded by the developers that are private from Fortnite. But as you guys can see, we have unreleased skins that are upcoming, including the Foxfire skin, which I'm pretty sure is not in the game yet, and then the Blizzard Bomber. This might be in the game, but I'm not completely sure. I haven't been keeping up to date with Fortnite. And then obviously the new Naruto skins just came out a couple days ago. And the Indiana Jones skins, which is the secret skin of the season, is not yet to come out. I don't think it's out yet, but it will be coming out soon. So if you guys want to see him, this is him right now. He's pretty cool. And then of course we have the Darth Vader skin, which is the tier 100 battle pass skin for this season. Of course we also unlock these skins over here. I call them TBDs, to be determined, because like they're just like random skins. They don't have a name for, they don't have like a cover photo of them, so I just call them TBDs. I'm pretty sure there is more of them. Yep, there's a lot here. And I guess, yeah, TBDs, because in other private servers it's also named as these as well. So as you guys can see, yeah, but as you guys can see, there's like the henchman girl skin, these skins, this skin, this skin, this skin, this skin, this skin, yeah, just all these, this skin, which is probably never gonna come out in Fortnite ever. I mean, just look at them. These are just henchman skins, I guess. These must be, yeah, the Marauder skins. Okay, yeah, those are the Marauder skins, and we do have exclusives. I'm pretty sure this hybrid server actually does come with the OG styles for Pink Gold Trooper and Purple Skull Trooper. If you guys are interested in that, I just looked up Pink Gold Trooper. Okay, we'll talk about that. Gold Trooper. Yes, we do have the pink version. That is really nice. And we have the FNCS pickaxe. And I don't know what this is. I'm pretty sure this was one of the weapons that you could get for in the Mandalorian in Chapter 2, Season 5. I'm pretty sure. Let me know if I'm wrong on that, but that was a good season. This was definitely an overpowered gun. But yeah, that's basically it for showcasing this hybrid server. And as you guys can tell, it's a very nice. We got 2022 V-Bucks, and oh yeah, I don't know if there's anything in the item shop. I'm pretty sure there's nothing. It might just be glitched. Okay, I guess we have a custom item shop. We have the Renegade Raider skin in the item shop, but you do already own it because you already own it because you're already in the hybrid server. So, and we do have the two skins right here. So yeah, and of course the Wildcat skin, so yeah. But anyway, let's just get what you guys are here for, the tutorial. So before we get into the tutorial, if you guys are still watching, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment W, just to boost up the algorithm. And if you guys want to see more Fortnite dev tutorials and modding tutorials like this, make sure to leave a comment down below. Subscribe, turn notifications so you don't miss another one. I want to do like locker tour videos and stuff like that, so if you guys are interested in that, also let me know. Or Fortnite competitive, but I like Fortnite devs, and as long as you guys like that, I'll keep posting it, but y'all gotta let me know in the comment section. So let's just start this tutorial. So the first thing that you guys are gonna want to do is join the Discord down below, the amazing Discord called ReksFN. And don't go to the tutorials because you're watching this tutorial, and why would you need to watch another tutorial when you're watching my tutorial? My tutorial is obviously better. Okay, yeah, okay, but okay, so once you guys are in here, you may have to verify. I didn't have to verify, but also, yeah, you may have to verify. I doubt it, though. But once you guys are in here, go into the download section. And then once you guys are here, you guys want to go into the get key and download. Press the download first. Just open it up. Once you guys have it, just drag it over here. Press free access. And then press download website. save, and then it should pop up right here. Just go on open in folder, open up your folder. You can minimize Discord for now, close this, and then what you guys want to do is drag the, actually open it first, I'm sorry, open it first. I went black for a second, but it just press yes, okay. Next, skip all, open. Now you want to press save, and then drag it over into your desktop like this. So it looks like this. Now what you guys want to go do is go back in the Discord server and then press get key. Then press, once you guys are here, it's just going to be the same process, free access. And then download ReksFN key, and then press save. Same process, guys. You guys want to go to press OK. Next, skip all, open. It will open a website. You guys want to go to copy, right click, press copy, and then you guys are going to want to open up the ReksFN launcher. Press more info, run anyway. As I said earlier, this is not a virus. You guys can do this at your own will. If you don't trust this, you guys don't have to do it. This is just for educational purposes only. This tutorial is for only to show you guys how to do this. You guys don't have to do it, obviously. Then you guys are gonna want to press login. Press use auth real quick, and then press login. It will take you to Epic Games. Just press confirm. And then what you guys want to do is go on stats changer, and this right here, guys, is you guys can change your stats. So for example, you guys can change your username, you guys can change your V-Bucks. So let's just do 69,420. Don't mind the number, I just like it. And let's just do 100. Yeah, okay. I don't know what Omni chips are level. We could do, you know what, let's just go crazy. Let's just go crazy, guys. Let's just go crazy. We're going crazy. Crowns, guys, should we just do like, there we go, apply, please verify valid username, apply, there we go. Is it gonna launch? Okay, wait, login. Let's try this again, guys. Sometimes it doesn't work. I had to restart my PC before, so let's just press launch. I don't know if it's gonna work. The stats might not go on, but that's fine. I just want to show you guys that this does work, so. And as you guys can see, we just loaded it in, so it should prove to you guys this is legit. We can. I would like to join a friend right now, but just do Renegade Raider, or also don't join random people, because obviously don't wear an unreleased skin in a random party. Let's just join. Let's see. I don't know really who to join, so. Just requesting to join people.
Radius is cute.
Bro, who cares about this Renegade Raider, bro?
Bro, Radius. You talk to me. If you talk to me, I give you $5.
Hey yo, I ain't trying to talk. Bro, those kids were kind of salty. I was flexing the FNCS pickaxe on them, and they were kind of salty, like, for real, bro. But as you guys can see, this is legit. If you guys want more videos like this, make sure to leave a comment. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.